Yeah, we got ourselves a 2015 A6 with that 2.0 turbo. Well, everyone online didn't tell me the coolant temp sensor I just replaced is right back there. You'll see in this video right here. This time we got it. Quick swap out. Don't plug it in backwards, people. Well, that did not hit the floor. It's a little bit of an issue here. It kind of just crumbled into pieces on me when I moved it, but we got one ordered. Like, comment, and subscribe. Got all kinds of different videos. I don't even know what to film anymore. I should make different channels, but you know, just subscribe to this one until it gets more popular, and then I'll split it up or something.